And this is Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Aisha. And so happy to be with you today. We have a hot topic for you, and the topic is all about adaptability. I know I'm going to stumble on this. Adaptability. How adaptable are you to different circumstances, to changes in life? We all know that the only constant in life is change. So how do we do that? And you'll see there are people all around us who are very rigid, and they just get stuck anytime there is any kind of change. They stick to their guns, but there are some who just seem to go with the flow. So which one are you? And if you are one or the other, how do you become more adaptable? Because that is one of the top 5 skills that managers these days look for in an employee or in somebody. So what is this share called adaptability?
It's what you practiced just as you walked in. She was adaptable this morning with figuring out all these new lights and all these new gizmos. I walked in about, I want to say 7 to 8 minutes before her today. And I walked in, I said, okay. So am I supposed to touch anything here, or am I going to just blow up this whole studio if I do anything? So I kind of kept calm and waited for her to come in. But that exactly is adaptability, right? Adaptability is the ability to adapt to new, challenging, and complex situations by changing your thoughts, feelings, and behavior. So I'll repeat that. Adaptability is the ability to adapt to new, challenging, and complex situations by changing your thoughts, feelings, and behavior.
Thoughts, feelings, and behavior.
And the reason I say thoughts, feelings, and behavior is because it all starts with the thought. If you start with the thought of panic, like, oh my God, I'm not going to be able to do this, and I'm going to just mess this whole thing up, then it's going to affect how you feel and it's going to affect your actions. And if you start off with the thought like, okay, there is chaos here, but okay, let me take a deep breath and let me just do step by step and figure this out, it'll affect how you feel and it will affect the outcome and your behavior. So thoughts, feelings, and behavior.
Thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Interesting. What is it about controlling our thoughts? Let's sort of expand each one of those, right? Because I think it all stems from that. If you control your thoughts, then it impacts your feelings, it impacts your behavior, and ultimately, that's what we need to adapt or adopt when we are talking about adaptability.
Right, that's true. And I feel with your thoughts, it's about the I can attitude rather than I cannot, because it comes from a mindset where you would think that, oh, because I was not born knowing how to do this, I will therefore never be able to do it. Rather thinking that, yes, I wasn't born being able to do this, but all skill is learned skill and I can get around it. It's about thinking of process and progress rather than perfection. And I think that makes all the difference in that starting stage, because the minute you aim for perfection, it may even stop you from starting, because you may then think that, hey, I'm never going to be able to be perfect at it. So therefore, I may as well not try. And I think that's a lot of our, 80s, 90s population, their journey with social media. I mean, I think for me, it has been such a learning curve getting my head around, posting and this hashtag, that what Gen Z do so easily. Like they're like wake up from their sleep and they can probably produce a reel, which gets all the traction that they need.
Yeah.
And for us, it is like a handcrafted, painstaking 2-3 hour process. So that's what it is.
All right, let's see who's going to kick off the show for us today. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Ladies, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back, both of you.
I know. Thank you, Shanaz.
अच्छा, मैं ये कहूंगी, आपको पता है, मेरा ब्रेन जो है नया पॉइंट ले आया. We humans or any creature on this planet tries to survive, to continue life. this life.
Mhm.
So we have to have adaptability की जो अगर आपके अंदर हिस्स नहीं है या क्वालिटी नहीं है, then you will not survive and you will die or you will finish. लेकिन अडेप्टेबिलिटी कितनी हद तक, किस चीज के लिए? अगर आप एक डेजर्ट प्लांट को, कैक्टस को कहीं पे ऐसी जगह लगा दें, मिनेसोटा जैसी, तो इट वुड नॉट सर्वाइव. So there are certain conditions where the environment, the terms and conditions where the your boss or your leader or whatever, you agree with that or you not, then mind will say that, yeah, I can agree with these terms and conditions. I will, but there are certain rules for adaptability too in this world.
Hmm.
कि आप बिल्कुल डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट, डिफरेंट कंडीशन, डिफरेंट माइंडसेट के साथ उस एनवायरनमेंट में नहीं अडेप्ट कर सकते, देन यू विल लीव एंड यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड अ न्यू एनवायरनमेंट. सो माय पॉइंट इज दैट, बट जो मेरे जहन में आया, लकीली आई वाज होम टुडे एंड आई थॉट, ओह माय good topic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So interesting.
It's interesting
Rules.
because again, it stems down to the point of view.
Mhm.
The way I saw it when you were saying it, Shanazi, was that the fact that you chose to move.
Hmm.
ऐसा कि भाई ये मुझे नहीं जम रहा है, या कैक्टाई को आप मिनेसोटा में वो नहीं उग सकेगा, तो मैं कैक्टाई को कहीं और लेके जाऊं. That also is adaptability in a way, where you are ready to change. जो बहुत rigid होते हैं, तो उनको नहीं भी ये मैं इसको इधर ही उगा के रहूंगी,
Mhm.
और फिर पूरी लाइफ उसी में कोशिश करते रहते हैं, और वो कभी अपना गोल fulfill नहीं कर पाते हैं.
Mhm.
So adaptability is also, again, the way you look at it, the way I looked at it from your example, again, that's adaptability in a way, to be able to change your priorities, to be able to change your path, to be able to say, अच्छा ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये.
Mhm.
And that also sometimes is chosen for us and sometimes is not. So what I mean to say is that, for example, a lot of our adaptability sometimes is self-imposed. आप शादी करते हैं, आप अडेप्ट होते हैं. मैरिज की हमने आई थिंक जब शो की थी, तो गेटिंग मैरिड में अडेप्टेबिलिटी वाज अ ह्यूज skill to have in order to make the marriage survive and thrive.
Mhm.
Having children, getting a new job, these are things you all sometimes do for yourself. Sometimes it just happens, a child that you're not planned for, or a job change where, okay, fine, the company shut down, now you're forced to look out.
Yeah.
So
Immigration, the fact that
yeah.
we all chose to move to this country, I think is one of the biggest things, that we are adapting to a new environment, new culture, new way of doing things. And there's so much that we can unpack as far as that is concerned. Let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Assalamualaikum, Aisha and Tasneem.
Walaikum
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Walaikum assalam. How are you, SKF ji?
अल्लाह का शुक्र, बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. देखिए कैसी तब्दीली आती है. आप लोग गई हुई थी, नया ऑफिस का एटमॉस्फेयर हुआ, नया टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड यू ऑल आर अडैप्टिंग.
Yeah.
करना पड़ता है समझौता.
I had a few choice words this morning.
तो तब्दीलियों से समझौता करना अडेप्टेबिलिटी का मतलब होता है मेरे लिए.
जी.
और मैं समझती हूँ अडेप्टिबिलिटी, ये मुंह में रोल हो रहा है मेरे. अडेप्ट होना, अडेप्टेबिलिटी को अपना करना माइंडसेट की बात है.
बिल्कुल.
यू हैव टू डू इट, इसलिए कि सर्वाइवल उस पर होता है ना. यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग इन लाइफ इन ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स.
And I think that's important to understand that not all change is good, right?
No.
So
no,
not
it's
all
not.
change is good. However, what you do when you are faced with those circumstances is what adaptability is all
Yes,
about.
it is flexibility of your thought process.
Mhm.
एंड जैसा मैं अपने बारे में इतना बताऊं, टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में डिफरेंट चीजों में मैं अडेप्टेबल हूं. डिफरेंट चीजों से जरा सा सोचना पड़ता है. जैसा फॉर एग्जांपल अ न्यू ऑफिस एटमॉस्फेयर, टेक्नोलॉजी, खास तौर से नया कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, यू हैव टू लर्न इट. सो जरा सा झिझकियाहट होती है. मगर लाइफ के जो इश्यूज हैं, जैसे वॉर के बाद नई टाइप की जिंदगी को अडेप्ट करना, बहुत पहले से सीखा मैंने. बिल्कुल अलग था हम लोग का सेटअप, मगर विद इन 3-4 months, बिल्कुल एक दिन में, बल्कि वॉर के बाद, बट थॉट प्रोसेस टेक्स टाइम, बिल्कुल तब्दील होना पड़ा due to the circumstances such as poverty and no property, daddy killed, and so many refugee status, so many things, migrating from East Pakistan to West Pakistan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
वहां पर इंग्लिश स्टैंडर्ड था, यहाँ पर जब आए तो एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ उर्दू था फॉर अस टू कंप्लीट आवर कोर्सेज,
Mm-hmm.
but we adjusted according to that. And then new school system, new friends, new home atmosphere, new societal environment. हम लोग अमीर नहीं रहे,
Yeah.
सर्वाइवल के लिए फिर अडेप्ट करना पड़ा टू अ वेरी वेरी मीगर लाइफस्टाइल.
Mm-hmm.
और वो टाइम बहुत डिफिकल्ट था क्योंकि सब टीनेजर्स थे. जब वहां अडेप्ट कर लिए और बोले कि चलना है, एक्शन लेना है, माइंडसेट को चेंज किया, सरवाइव करना है, वी हैव टू एडजस्ट टू डिफरेंट सर्कमस्टेंसेस एंड मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट.
जी.
वो सारी चीजों में बिल्कुल अडेप्ट किए हैं और वो अडेप्टेबिलिटी चलती रही. आगे आके यूएसए आए, इमिग्रेशन हुआ, उसके बाद नए एटमॉस्फेयर में एडजस्ट किए, नए जॉब्स में
Mm-hmm.
एंड रिलेशनशिप्स में. माने मैरिज भी कितना अडेप्टेबिलिटी चाहिए ना, आउट ऑफ
course.
हैप्पीनेस एंड यू वांट टू मेक इट सक्सेसफुल.
Mm-hmm.
सो सक्सेस करने, सरवाइव करने रेजिलियंस की जरूरत है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की, एंड ऑल दिस फॉल्स अंडर अडेप्टेबिलिटी.
Yeah. Do you
Tabdili-
think, SKFG, as you have gone on, as you have become older, have you become more adaptable or less adaptable?
That's a good one.
या है मैंने, आई वुड से, बट ये है कि जैसे जैसे टाइम गुजरा मैं समझती हूँ मैं मोर अडेप्टेबल हुई हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई माय टंग इज रोलिंग ऑन
Yes,
दिस वर्ड.
mine too.
मगर कुछ चीजों में ज्यादा एडजस्टमेंट्स की हूँ. जैसे कि पहले जो चीजें बहुत अहम थी कि माने रिवायात एंड ट्रेडिशंस एंड कल्चर, उसमें उतना ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं, अब बिल्कुल सेट हूँ. मगर रहने के तरीके में, लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करने में, बड़े घर से छोटा घर करना है, दूसरे चीजें, ट्रैवल अब कम करना है, वैसा माइंडसेट जैसा वैसा लेस अडेप्टेबल हूँ. तो बैलेंस रखा है मैंने. जैसे सर्कमस्टेंसेस होते उसमें जो बेहतरी होगी, यू गो फॉर इट. And I do it accordingly. It has worked very well because it has made me very flexible and less rigid, and so easy on your mental and body system when you are adaptable.
Mm-hmm.
And you get along with so many people more if you adjust and you adapt and you keep your identity,
Mm-hmm.
but you keep going. क्योंकि मैंने ये देखा है कि जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए समझौतों की जरूरत होती है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप अपनी आइडेंटिटी शनाख्त लूं
Mm-hmm.
और ना खुश रहें, मगर बहुत जरूरी था हम लोगों के लिए. और लाइफ ने मुझे सिखाया है कि इट इज गुड टू बी अडेप्टेबल एंड लुक एट द रिजल्ट and keep going. You might need more adaptability or staying more rigid according to the circumstances, you know.
Okay.
तो मैं great topic.
Thank you.
अब जैसा रियल स्टेट का लाइसेंस आ रहा है, अब मैं सोच रही हूँ अब इसको चेंज करके क्या मैं इनएक्टिव बनूं या एक्टिव रहूं. सो ये सारी रियलिटी चेक्स होती है, बट आई कीप गोइंग एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ माय एटीट्यूड. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. थैंक यू टू बोथ ऑफ यू. टेक केयर. थैंक यू.
Radio Azad, you're on the air.
जी आयशा, आपने सवाल पूछा कि एट दिस एज वी आर मोर अडेप्टेबल और नॉट. आई वुड से कि मैं पूरी जिंदगी बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल, बहुत ही अडेप्टिव रही हूँ.
Mm-hmm.
So up now I think twice and I give time to myself and I think whether it will bring peace to my, to myself, what benefit I am getting out of it.
Mhm.
Should I remain in this situation? So I would say I am more rigid now than before
Mhm.
because मैंने ये भी देखा है शायद तस्नीम कि the more flexible, the more adaptive I was, people try to use me as much as possible.
Wow, that's a
Mhm.
So
wonderful
now,
segue into our next segment, actually.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
So I try to become myself and I'm becoming more rigid in my own thought patterns and my जो मेरे पुराने patterns थे मैं उनको भी देख रही हूँ. Those are breaking away and I am adopting new patterns for myself which gives me peace.
Hmm.
जो मेरी इस वक्त की requirement है. The peace or my isolation bubble, I enjoy that. So मैं उसको बरकरार रखना चाहती हूँ.
Mhm. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shanaz ji.
Do you think people who are born rigid or let's say the other way, adaptable. Um, is it something that they stay that way? Is it a learned skill?
It is definitely a learned skill. I mean, there could be a genetic iota of it, in the sense if you're coming from genes which are highly flexible and adaptable, you may be born, but then definitely a cultivated skill from there on.
Mhm.
Your circumstances, your experiences, your nurturing, your upbringing, all of that play a role in that. And I loved your question as to whether with age do we become more rigid or do we become more adaptable. And with both our callers, both Asha and Ashi's,
Mhm.
the answer was different.
Yeah.
Whereas one was like, hey, I'm becoming more adaptable as I'm growing older. I want things to change. One was that, hey, no, I'm hanging on more. I'm becoming more rigid.
Mhm.
So what I gather from this, and I think we're going to talk about a little bit about this too when we talk about how to balance this skill of adaptability, but right here, because it's come up. Therefore, then, wouldn't you agree that setting boundaries
Mhm.
is also a very integral part of practicing adaptability?
Mhm.
You'll
Oh,
need
yeah.
to have your set boundaries. That's where our callers are talking about the rigidity aspect.
Mhm.
Those are your boundaries, which now you feel you've evolved.
Yeah.
You know yourself, and these are my boundaries. I'm not flexible on these. I'm not adaptable on these.
Yeah.
So it's not rigidity in the sense like, hey, I've become a rigid person now. I'm stubborn. I'll stick to my gun and I'll fight you down. It's more about, I know myself. These are my boundaries. This I'm adaptable on.
Yeah. And I think boundaries के साथ साथ value system.
Yeah.
ठीक है, आपका जो वैल्यू सिस्टम कि ये चीजें मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज करूंगा या कॉम्प्रोमाइज करूंगी और इन पर मैं नहीं करूंगा या नहीं करूंगी.
Yeah,
Right.
absolutely.
All right, let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. कैसे हैं हक साहब?
कैसी हैं दोनों बीवियां? ठीक हैं?
Very good,
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हक साहब.
वो फारसी में हम लोगों ने बहुत पहले पढ़ा था कि हर कमाले राज जवाले, यानी एवरी राइज हैज ए फॉल।
Mhm.
तो जिंदगी के भी फेजेस वैसे ही हैं। अब देखिए, बच्चे और बूढ़े का इस मुल्क में क्यों ख्याल किया जाता है? इसलिए कि वो डिफेंसलेस होते हैं,
Mhm.
है ना। तो बच्चों को फिर बड़ों की जरूरत पड़ती है। फिर जब वो बड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं तो उन्हें दूसरे लोग देखभाल पे, ये साइक्लिक ऑर्डर है, ये चलता रहता है। लेकिन मोहम्मद अली किले मरहूम ने ये कहा था कि अगर आप 50 साल की उम्र में वही काम, जब वही हरकतें कर रहे हैं जो आप 25 साल की उम्र में करते थे, तो इसका मतलब है आपने जिंदगी के 25 साल जाए किए।
बिल्कुल सही.
हर आदमी है वो वक्त के साथ जो है, एज यू सो यू रीप।
हम्म.
आप जैसा करते हैं वैसा आपको मिलता है और इसी दुनिया में मिल जाता है। मैं आपको इसकी मिसाल ये देता हूँ कि अकबर इलाहाबादी बहुत मशहूर शायर थे,
Mhm.
इलाहाबाद के थे, और उनका दुनिया अदब में बड़ा नाम था। एक उनके जो बेटे थे इशरत हुसैन, वो सेशन जज थे। किसी पार्टी में वो गए दावत में, तो किसी ने उनको मिलाया कि ये इशरत हुसैन सेशन जज के वालिद हैं। तो उन साहब ने कहा, अरे ये तो खुद ही इतने मशहूर आदमी हैं, आपने इनका तारुफ ऐसे कराया क्यों?
Mhm.
कहते, भाई आप बुरा मत मानिए, नौजुबिल्लाह, जब लोग मरेंगे तो वहाँ अल्लाह मियाँ का तारुफ भी ऐसी कराएंगे कि ये हजरत ईसा के वालिद हैं।
हम्म.
तो ये है कि अडेप्टेशन तो हो जाता है। देखिए, हम नहीं करते हैं तो दूसरे हमसे अडेप्ट करने लगते हैं। और ये जिंदगी का ये वो कहते हैं ना, इश्क न तो रोग है ना बला है, हर शख्स का तजुर्बा जुदा जुदा है।
Mhm.
हर आदमी के अलग अलग ये हैं। जो पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं उनके तजुर्बात अलग हैं, जो बेचारी हमारी तरह की बीवियां हैं उनके तजुर्बात अलग हैं,
Mhm.
बच्चों के साथ अलग होते हैं। तो इसलिए अडेप्टेशन बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है।
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
लेकिन नमाज पढ़ते हैं, हम अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाते, जो लोग खड़े हैं, तो हमें कुर्सी दी जाती है ना,
Mhm. Mhm.
तो अडेप्टेशन होता है वो भी, उसमें बुरा मानने की कोई जरूरत
Mhm. Yeah, बिल्कुल सही.
नहीं। और अच्छा लगा, सबसे अच्छा यही है हमने अडेप्ट किया कि आज हमने समझा कि भाई आपका लाइव प्रोग्राम हो रहा है।
बिल्कुल. और नया हमारा स्टूडियो सेटअप जरा जाके देखिएगा फेसबुक पर.
तो आएंगे। हम आए थे ऑस्टिन और आपके इधर नहीं आ सके, इसलिए कि मेरी टिकट जो थी कि बुध को जाइए इतवार को आइए, तब इतने पैसे का
ओ, अच्छा, आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट रही है हक साहब। थैंक यू। आई विश के आप आ सकते। You're listening to Radio Azad, and this is Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Aisha. And our topic today is all about adaptability. Are you adaptable or are you less flexible? We are talking about that. When two rigid people get together, what happens in that relationship?
Stubbornness, I think, because now when you're talking about relationships, I think one of the key factors that really makes a relationship thrive is the flexibility and adaptability aspect. And if you
Yes.
have two rigid people, I mean, you're going to have
A
a
lot of clashes.
lot of arguments and
Word or
clashes.
three.
Absolutely.
Tasneem, do you think that people who are rigid know that they are that way?
Good question. I'm trying to think of, the people that I have interacted with who I feel are rigid, and do they know that? I think no. A large amount of time, the answer would be no, until somebody close to them,
Points it out.
yeah, points it out. And
Yeah.
then if that person is a self-aware, adaptable person from the core, they will take that feedback in their stride, because I've noticed rigid people will ignore even people pointing it out,
Yes,
and they will disregard that.
absolutely. It's all about taking feedback. And that's actually when rigid people get very very defensive when you give them feedback. And I feel, and I've observed this in a lot of people around me as well, that those people who are rigid don't have that self-awareness about the fact that they are rigid. So they find it difficult to adapt to different situations, and they tend to get very reactive
Yes.
as a result of this. And I think it hurts them, and it hurts a lot of their relationships when they are stuck in second gear.
Absolutely. I think, again, even to have a mindset which is open to change, maybe, you're slow on the uptake and you have an issue implementing that. But I think the step one is actually to even have an open mind to change. A
Yeah.
lot of times, just that can derail us.
I want to give the example of the radio, and it's a beautiful example about how we went from a terrestrial radio, AM, FM, to the internet. And this has happened to us, I
Yeah.
think, now twice. And how, we as management reacted, how the team reacted. Literally, it was, I mean, even in the, we didn't even bat an eyelid. That's the word that I was looking for. It was just a smooth transition, and if we had not adapted, we would not be here today, 13 and a half years later, and growing phenomenally, alhamdulillah, as we go, because there are so many different technological advances. There are so many different digital advances, and we've had to really adapt with changing times.
Mhm.
Even a simple thing like listening on the app. If we didn't have the app, you would not be able to listen to us if you didn't have the radio. And now everybody has a phone, everybody has a smartphone, and it's just a simple click of a button for you to listen to it. And now even cars are have the ability
to play it.
to listen all your Apple CarPlays and things like that. It's just how quickly and how rapidly technology has driven the demand for things, and then we've had no choice. We as consumers have had no choice but to learn and to keep up with everything. I think we're at that brink right now of change with AI. Okay, AI
Yes.
is all around us. We don't even know it sometimes, but it is all around us. And if we don't keep up with it, we are going to be left behind.
Yeah. And I think a good point that I would like to mention here is just like all of the adaptability is a good skill, right? We all agree that it's a good skill to have. But too much of a good skill is also not good.
Yeah.
So just in that same vein, AI as well, and I know that there are so many benefits. Oh my God, I use AI sometimes, and it just kind of changes my whole script to so much better, or whatever it is that you use it for,
Yeah.
Chat GPT and things like that. But too much of it, it will just take away from the whole fabric of humanity. So I feel that balance, like in any other skill,
Mm-hmm.
is also very, very vital here.
Yeah, when we were out on our trip recently, and we would go to a historical site and we're like, oh, I wish we knew more about it. And my son's friend who was with us, he's a Chat GPT whiz. He would just pull out his phone and he's like, all right, so Chat GPT says da 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 da, and we're like, oh, okay, this is great.
Absolutely. It's stunning the
Yeah.
amount of the kind of work. My friend's a painter, and now he does AI prints. I mean, the sense.
Wow.
So it's like crazy the intricacy
Creativity.
of his work and his creativity that AI adds to his existing skill set.
Yeah, let's go back to the point that you mentioned about if you're too adaptable, right? There are downsides to that, and one of our callers mentioned that as well. I feel that the people who are the loudest and the most rigid in some ways, they complain the most, they get the most attention.
Yeah, well, maybe like, as they say, all press is good press. So bad press is also good press. So in that sense, yes, well, they may get all the attention, but the bad attention, like people will talk about them, or people will be very, very like walking on eggshells around them, and
Mhm.
not really actually authentically wanting to see them, but just kind of keeping face. So if you enjoy that kind of attention, then well, whoever that person is, then more power to you. But I would think that you would want the genuine kind of attention, the genuine kind of liking, somebody actually lighting up because they crossed paths with you.
Mhm.
And rigid people tend to, I feel, be very careful around them कि भाई इसको तो कुछ हो जाएगा तो पता नहीं क्या बवाल हो जाएगा, तो उससे तो बेहतर ही है कि इससे सही से बात करो, उसको जो चाहिए वो दे दो और बस पतली गली से निकल जाओ. And
Okay.
you don't want to be that person in anyone's life, so I believe, but then and each to their own.
Do you also think that people who are most adaptable, happy-go-lucky, and just go with the flow kind of people, they get taken for granted and walked all over? Yes.
Sometimes, yes. Because I feel that then you don't have a voice. You don't stand up for your own. There's a fine line between aggressiveness and assertiveness. And if you're not assertive anytime, and all the time you just go with the flow, then yes, you will get taken for granted. Not so much because they do not care for you, but that's because people are creatures of habit, and you have set the tone of being treated that way, where मेरे साथ कुछ भी चलता है, मेरी opinion कोई matter नहीं करती. So I feel if you start treating yourself like that, people will treat you like that as well.
Okay.
So once in a way, I feel for certain aspects, and again, therefore, what you said about values and what I mentioned about setting boundaries is so important in order to avoid these brickbats of being too adaptable. And we will probably discuss more of those when we talk about the bane of too much of a good thing and too much of adaptability in that sense. But yes, definitely, I feel it's really important to have your values and your boundaries set, even when you are an ace at adaptability.
All right, let's see what our caller has to say. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
मैं हमेशा समझती हूँ कि बैलेंस और बाउंड्री, जैसा आप लोग बात कर रहे हैं, B&B is so important in so many, in all aspects of life. तो अपनी आइडेंटिटी पहचानना, रियलिटी चेक जो होता है, और सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, अपने आप को पहचानना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे फिर आपको कोई फायदा नहीं उठा सकता. अननेसेसरी होता है, और करना भी होता है जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए. अडेप्टेबिलिटी इन डिफरेंट वेज इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू आर लिविंग इन अ सोसाइटी, कभी गिव एंड टेक चलता रहता है, एंड मे बी समटाइम्स वन इज यूज्ड मोर देन ऑफन. बट आई फील के अगर किसी की फलाह और बहबूद हो रही है और किसी का फायदा होता है तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत और अडेप्ट कर लेती हूँ, इवन इफ आई फील दैट दे आर ट्राइंग टू यूज मी. बट I have a mindset and I know what is happening. I'm very observant. किसी को unnecessary फायदा उठाने नहीं देती हूँ मैं, as much as possible. और ये उम्र के साथ, एज के साथ, different circumstances के साथ चेंज होता गया. तो अब मैं ऐसा फील करती हूँ कि मैं कंट्रोल में हूँ अपने फीलिंग्स के, अपने रिएक्शंस के, अपने इमोशंस के. आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट नॉट टू बी यूज. एट द सेम टाइम अगर बहुत नियर एंड डियर वंस हैं एंड यू फील कि इससे उनको हैप्पीनेस मिल रही है तो थोड़ा बहुत मैं कर लूंगी, क्योंकि मैं जानती हूँ कि क्या चल रहा है. तो आई एम प्रिटी कंफर्टेबल विथ इट. Gives me happiness, peace and all, I go along with it, but at the same time I definitely am balanced and keep my boundaries. चाहे इससे किसी की, हर कोई पसंद नहीं करते ना, जैसे वो कहते हम टाउन में आ रहे हैं तो आके रहेंगे या जो भी, मगर उस टाइम अगर मेरे लिए वो टाइम सूटेबल नहीं है क्योंकि मैं डीक्लटर वगैरह कर रही हूँ तो मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है, मैं बहुत फ्रैंकली बता दूंगी ऐसा है हमारा टाइम टेबल, जरूर मुलाकात करते हैं मगर यहाँ पर. अगर बुरा लगता है तो sorry, मगर I say that very politely and I try to keep my boundaries because I have to keep myself happy too and keep going. तो ये था मेरा balance and boundaries, very important. Thank you.
Super, super. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Assalamu alaikum, both the
Walaikum
ladies.
Assalam. How are you?
I'm fine. After a long time, you
I
both have got
know,
together.
right? Yes.
Yes. So the question is that adaptability is, you first have to know how much you can go, how far can you go to adapt whatever the situation you're facing. Because there are certain factors that play a very important part in your life to adjust anything. First, physically, mentally, emotionally, don't get pushed around. You have to see first to your comfort, listen to your body and listen to your mind, and then take a decision whether you can, how far can you go in adjusting.
Excellent.
And so I think, after, sometimes even age plays a very important part. And so when I came to, when I got married, I was married to a man who came from East Africa. And there was a big difference in culture, although we belong to the same community, but because of the background of the country, we had a big difference in our culture. And and then I had to change the country and adapt to the other countries' rules and regulations. And so many adjustments I had to make. And for that, you have to be really strong-willed.
True.
Because if you are not strong-willed, you cannot adjust, and then you may not only make yourself miserable, but you make others around you miserable also, unhappy.
Excellent. Yep. Very good
Thank you.
points. Perfect. How far can you go?
I
Right?
know, right? I mean, I loved what you said, Parveena Aunty, by checking with your emotional, physical, mental. But then, I mean, ये सारी चीजें हम कितना apply करते हैं? I mean, there are many times I think we cross that line. I think with Shahnazji's call itself is like sometimes you are well aware कि ये emotionally मेरी well-being को cross करेगी, but फिर भी मैं ये करने को तैयार हूँ. So I think we cut corners somewhere and we like I would say like with my recent trip as well, I think I knew that I'm pushing myself so hard that I'm going to fall sick because it was such a hectic trip with everything that was happening. Actually, I'd gone for Muharram and it was just very, very hectic the entire day. And I was like, okay, cut back thus. I know you're pushing yourself. But then there was that thing, अब आई हूँ तो कर ही लूँ, ये भी कर लूँ, वो भी कर लूँ. And that's when you know you're going to fall sick. Physically, your body is going to fall apart. But I think that the adaptability sometimes doesn't come with, how should I say, sensibility. And sometimes because our passion or our purpose drives that intention, we cut corners on these three aspects. Would
Yeah.
you agree?
Oh, absolutely. And I love this last point about how far can you go, because I think, in a relationship as well, when you are adapting to, as our caller said, different cultural background or a different societal background or a different economic background, a different, familial background. And I think that's a lot where relationships tend to disintegrate,
Yeah.
right? When it's just constant, you're adjusting to the point where your own self is dissolving,
Lost.
right? That
process.
boundary and that balance is
Has
out
crossed.
of whack. What's the difference, Asim, between compromising and adaptability?
I would say when you compromise, I would want to meet somebody halfway, or they win this time, I win next time, or they get their way this time, I get my way next time. Adaptability does not really come with any such foreground boundary. I can just be adaptable all the time.
Yeah.
I can give the person all they like all the time, or a circumstance, or a situation, or a workplace, all my best all the time without really having that compromise aspect thrown in.
Okay.
So adaptability is more me, myself. Compromise involves two.
Interesting. Let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
कोई तो मुझे चुमकी ले, कहीं मैं ख्वाब तो नहीं देख रही।
बिल्कुल ख्वाब देख रही हैं।
Walaikum assalam.
कैसी हैं आप दोनों?
Good.
Welcome back.
Thank
Welcome
you.
back.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Alhamdulillah. Good, good.
Are
Tell
you,
us.
are you
Aapke-
adaptable?
Very much so. Very much so. But now it's been like what, 8 years? I do pick and choose my battles. Before there was no battles. I mean, I had to do it. I have to do it. That's it. But now I see if it's good for me or not. If it's in the long run, it's going to be a good thing or not for me. So I do, think about it. There was. So हमको असल में मसला क्या है एज ह्यूमन, हमारे साथ मसला है कि हमको ये होता है, हमको ये नहीं पता कि हमको चाहिए क्या. Right? So you can't set up boundaries if you don't even know what you want from life.
Yeah.
Right? So असल में we have to, like other people said, we have to, set up boundaries for that. We need to know what we want, right? So for set up boundaries, we do have to, because other people don't know their boundaries.
Yeah.
उनको नहीं पता है कि कहाँ पे रुकना है, कहाँ पे नहीं रुकना है. आप हैं जो उनको बताएंगे. तो बिकॉज आप जितना पुश करेंगे, आप हम अपने आप को ही देख लें. हम एज ए पेरेंट, हम उनको पता है कि हमारे बच्चे की कौन सी लिमिट होती है, कहाँ तक इसको पुश कर, किसको किस तरह से लेके चलना चाहिए. राइट? तो हमको अपने बारे में कैसे नहीं पता होगा, हमको अपने बारे में भी पता होगा. असली हम लोग स्पेशली I think women, I'm very honest when it comes to men and women rights and all that. But जहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि औरतें ज्यादा किसी चीज का फायदा उठाती है, मैं जरूर बात करती हूँ. लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूंगी, औरतें जो है ना वो ज्यादा अडेप्ट करती हैं. स्पेशली जस्ट टेक इट, किसी के घर जाके, अपना घर छोड़ के किसी के घर जाके सेट होने, उनके पूरे तौर तरीके, उनके रूल्स और रेगुलेशन आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं अपने भूल कर. So it's a very big, अगर imagine if guy has to do that. तो आप पूरी जिंदगी सुनते रहेंगे, आपके कान पक जाएंगे सुनते सुनते. लेकिन this is the reason why औरतों के अंदर जितना बिल्डअप होता है ना, because they change a lot for others. तो मैं यहाँ पे बात करना चाहूंगी, यहाँ पे औरतों और आदमी की कोई बहस नहीं है, लेकिन ये जरूर है कि भाई जो सच है वो सच है. औरतें ज्यादा बात करती है, पता है क्यों? बिकॉज एक चीज उनको 100 दफा रिपीट करनी पड़ती है कि भाई ये खराब हो गया, इसको सही कर दो, इसको सही कर. एक दफा भी सुन लो तो क्यों औरतें ज्यादा बात करेंगी? वैसे आजकल मर्द भी कम नहीं बात करते हैं.
Thank you, Anjuman. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम आयशा and Tasneem.
Walaikum assalam.
Welcome back,
Thank
Thank you.
you.
stranger.
No.
अच्छा,
जी
तो मैं शुरू से सुन रही हूँ आपका प्रोग्राम।
हम्म,
एक तो मैं जहाज चला रही थी, अभी मैंने पार्क किया है।
अच्छा
Um, एक तो change is that is life, because if there is no change, then life is, not happening.
Yeah.
And मेरा जहाँ तक ख्याल है कि जब हम यंगर होते हैं, इट्स easier to adapt, और हम कई चीजें विदाउट कॉन्शियस एफर्ट के हम अनकॉन्शियसली अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं,
Mhm.
just to maybe it's our culture, it's our that what is expected of us.
हम्म,
लेकिन जब ज्यादा you are growing older and getting mature, if we do not change ourselves to adapt, then we are going to lose.
हम्म,
We are going to be left behind.
हम्म,
एक और it is we have to make actually a conscious effort for that. मुझे करनी पड़ रही है, because at work, I'm doing everything what is expected, but my digital selling is not doing good,
Mm.
because I have to do it through my telephone, right?
हम्म,
And every last 2 reviews, they're like, you have to work on it, and I'm like, yes, I am working on it. I am trying to adopt it, and I am doing better, but it is a conscious effort.
yeah
Easily नहीं मेरे से हो रहा है.
हम्म,
Yeah.
And that is one of the things, कि yes, we have to adopt. We have, अगर हमें हमारे में वो ability नहीं है, so we will be left behind.
absolutely
So true.
I think that's a very very good point Shahida ji, and something that we all have to ask ourselves and be very brutally honest with, and then come up with a plan to actually deal with that. Thank you so much.
That's it. और दूसरा boundaries के लिए भी I'm
Hmm.
having tough time to have adaptability for that
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
कि किस तरह boundaries को जो है, I know what to do, but it's very hard for me to implant it also.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So if अगर आप उस पे भी थोड़ा सा वो कर दें, so
Mhm.
that will be great.
Perfect. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Have a great day.
You too. All right.
Actually, have we done a show on setting boundaries?
Yes, we
I
have.
think we have. That would be a good listen into at this point, Shahida ji. But it's a good point. I think a lot of us struggle. We know our boundaries, but implementing them does get hard at times.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel these topics we've done, we need to
Revisit. I think we should do the boundaries one again, actually.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. So you're listening to Radio Azad. This is Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Aisha. Have you checked out our podcasts on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts? No? I think you should.
About time.
Yeah, absolutely. And do download the Radio Azad app. If you have not, it's free. And you go to the App Store, go to the Google Marketplace and just search for Radio Azad and download it, and you'll be able to listen to all of our live shows. And we love to hear from you. So you can write to us as well at shows@radioazad.us. You can send us your topic suggestions, your questions. We are on Instagram, YouTube, and on Facebook as well. Join our Double Shot Espresso group on Facebook. Lots more coming up about how to become more adaptable and all the great questions that our listeners have asked. Stay tuned.